Hi everybody! In today's video, I'm going to make a sausage bread requested by my loving husband because it's been a long time I did not make this one for him. So now, this is it. So yummy. So this is my ingredient: pork and beef ground meat. This around half a kilo. And my ready-made dough, I bought this one from a bakery. And here's my chopped garlic and onion and a 2 teaspoons of salt and a 1 teaspoon of pepper and my nutmeg and the thyme and a hot sauce. I mean chili sauce. So I just put a little bit. The dressing, this is the egg and the flour too. So this is all my ingredients of my sausage bread. Okay, we make now. Okay, so I have to start putting all the ingredients. The garlic, the onion, the salt, the pepper, the thymes, the hot sauce or chili sauce, and the nutmeg. I have to grate it here. Oh, this is too hard. We mix this together. If you search in a Google Wikipedia, sausage bread is an American food made of sausage and other ingredients rolled or enclosed in dough and cooked in oven. And my husband said in Netherlands, they use a different kind of dough. They call it the layered dough. And what I'm using here, it's like a pizza dough. And this sausage bread can eat as your appetizer or lunch. You can also make in different styles on your sausage bread with cheese or vegetable. So this is my ready sausage. I have to put egg on the top. It's like this. So this is ready to put in the oven, and my oven is hot now. 35 minutes. This is my sausage bread cook. Very fresh. And I have some more here. This is all half a kilo of ground pork and beef. So this one I have to put in the freezer for the next day. And now I have to open it. Look at that. Looks so good. Hot. So yummy. So thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you. Have a nice day.